Hi kids, in this session you are going to learn about the physiographic divisions. Okay, Tamil Nadu, it is located on the peninsular plateau which is known as the Deccan Plateau. It is also a part of the Asian Gondwana land that broke away 135 million years ago. The topography of the state slopes towards to east. Okay, based on the major differences in relief, Tamil Nadu it is divided into the physical divisions of Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, plateaus, coastal and inland plains. First, we will move on to the Western Ghats. Western Ghats it extends from the Nilgiris in the north to Marunduval Malai at Swamitop in Kanyakumari districts in the south. The passes are Palghat, Chengot, Arulvaimozhi and Achankoil. The Nilgiris, Anemalai, Palani Hills, Cardamom Hills, Varasunadu, Andipatti and Agastya Hills are the major hills of the Western Ghats. Its height it ranges from 2000 to 3000 meter. It covers an area of about 2500 square kilometer. Actually, it is the continuous range. Western Ghats are the continuous range. Nilgiri Hills is located in the northwestern part of Tamil Nadu, which consists of 24 peaks with more than 2000 meters height. Thottabetta is the highest peak of these hills, followed by Mukurati. Ooty and Kunnur are the major hill stations located in these hills. Anemalai. It is located in the Tamil Nadu border of the Tamil Nadu and Kerala and to the south of Palghat Gap. Anemalai Tiger Reserve, Aliyur Reserve Forest, Valparai Hill Station, Kadamparai Hydroelectric Power Plant are located on these hills. Aliyur and Tirumuthi dams are located at the foothills of this range. Palani Hills are the eastward extension of the Western Ghats. Vandaravu is the highest peak in the Palani Hills. Vembadi Sola is its second highest peak. The hill station of Kodaikanal lies in the south central portion of the range. Cardamom Hills. These hills are known as Yelamala Hills, which located in the southwestern part of Tamil Nadu. It acquires its name from the cardamom spice which is commonly grown here. Pepper and coffee are the other crops cultivated over the hills. They meet the Anemalai Hills in the northwest, the Palani Hills in the northeast, and Varasunadu and Andipatti Hills in the southeast. Varasunadu and Andipatti Hills. Another eastward extension of Western Ghats is Varasunadu and Andipatti Hills. Megamalai, Kalugumalai, Karunguni Hill Station, and Suruli and Kumbakarai waterfalls are found on these hills. Srivillibuthur Grizzled Squirrel Wildlife Sanctuary is located in the southern slope of these hills in Virudhunagar district. Vaigai River and its tributaries originate in this region. Podigai Hills. Its major part lies in Tirunelveli district with its southern slope in Kanyakumari district. Podigai Hills are called with different names such as the Shivajodi Parvat, Agasthyar Hills, Southern Kailash. These hills features richest biodiversity in the Western Ghats. This area is known for its rich evergreen forest, waterfalls and ancient temples. Kalakkad Mudundurai Tiger Reserve is located in this region. Mahendragiri Hills. It is a continuous range is situated along the border of Kanyakumari and Tirunelveli districts and is a part of the southern range of the Western Ghats. Its average height is 1645 meters. ISRO Propulsion Complex, a test facility for Indian Space Research Organization's launch vehicles and satellite propulsion systems, is situated on the lower slopes of this mountain. Now we will move on to the Eastern Ghats. Eastern Ghats it is a discontinuous and as well as irregular one. It is dissected at many places by the rivers which drain into the Bay of Bengal. Its height ranges from 1100 to 1600 meters. Comparing to Western Ghats, it's only very low level. These hills separate the plains from plateau. Javadu, Servarayan, Kalrayan, Kollimalai and Pachamalai are the major hills in this one. Okay. Javadu Hills. Javadu Hills are an extension of the Eastern Ghats spread across parts of Vellore and Tirunamalai districts and separates these two districts. Many peaks with the height of 1100 to 1150 meters are located in this range. Melpattu is its highest peak. The Vainu Bappu Observatory, Kavalur, which began operations in 1967, is located on these hills. Many parts of this range are covered with bluish grey granites. Kalvarayan Hills comes from the word Karalar, the Asian name of the present tribes. It is another major range of hills in the Eastern Ghats of Tamil Nadu. This range, along with the Pachamalai, Aralvamalai, Javadu and Servarayan Hills, separates the river basins of Kaveri and Palar. The height of these hills ranges from 600 to 1220 meters. Okay, next Servarayan Hills. It is a mountain range located near the Salem city with the height ranging from 1200 to 1620 meters. The name of the range comes from a local deity, Servarayan. The highest peak in the southern part of the Eastern Ghats is located in this range. The peak is Solekaradu and its height is 1620 meters. The hill station Yerkad, which is known as the Poor Man's Ooty, is located in this range. Servarayan Temple is its highest point, 1623 meters. Next, Kolli Hills. It is a small mountain range located in Namakkal district. It covers an area of about 2800 square kilometer. It rises up to 1300 meters. Arpaleshwara temple located on this range. It has the largest cover of evergreen or shola forest when compared to other parts of the Eastern Ghats. Pachamalai. It is the lowest hill range, spreads over the district of Perambalur, Tiruchirappalli and Salem. In Tamil language, Pachai means green. The vegetation in this range is greener than the vegetative cover of the other hills in this region. So only it is called as the Pachamalai. Jackfruit is a popular seasonal agriculture product of these hills.